Hi everyone, it's Artis from Anacarmi. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Mighty Lock router bit, this is a trend one I had. So as the join, so as you can see, it's a quite a good fit, and I can show you here what we've done. Use that bit here, so there's no pinholes, anything like that. So you PVA it and yeah, glue it and let it dry basically. So the biggest issue we had is with this instructions. It doesn't really show you how to adjust it to get it right. So basically what we worked out, that thickness of your center of your material thickness should be roughly on this point. So that's, we spent some time getting it work, but that's what it is. So thickness of your material should be on that point there. And then the best way of checking it is you can route two pieces, and if there is no step then you should get it on a lock itself. It should be joining nicely. If it isn't, if there's a step, then it won't meet the corner, the point won't meet. So what you're gonna need for that job is a router table, and in my case I used half-inch router. You need table, definitely. You can't use it by hand because it's too big, that bit, and obviously you need a table to run it along with. So here is the bit, we set it in. I've got a little piece I can show you. So this one of the parts you're gonna be running flat on a bench. Another part you're gonna have to put a stop block here and run it this way, as you can see there. So for this piece you want something solid, so it doesn't push your part out and so you don't get your fingers in there. So be careful of that. But yeah, I thought I'd share this with you because we spent good, hour or so setting it up, because it wasn't very clear on instructions how you need to do it. But what you need to do, you get this point here, and then that should be good enough to how where you want the center of the timber or board or whatever you're gonna miter it together. So I hope it helped someone, and we'll catch up in the next video.